Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome to this commission showcase video. We've got some awesome Imperial Fists Intercessors for you guys to check out today. If you're new to Siege Studios YouTube channel, then Siege Studios is a UK-based premium commission miniature painting service offering 4 levels from our bronze above tabletop minimum level all the way up to platinum, which is our competition entry quality. And here at Siege, we've got 28 members of staff who paint at all variations of our levels. So I do hope if you are interested in the commission, what you can do is follow the link in the description of this video where it says get a quote. That takes you to our contact form. Once you reach that contact form, select all the drop-down options that are relevant for you from those available on the form, and then in the message section, include a list of models in our model list format, which is shown on there. Fire that off to us, and we'll come back to you with a quote and get the process started. We're back in a second to have a look at these awesome Imperial Fist Intercessors in more detail. See you guys back in a sec. So without further ado, let's have a look at these awesome Intercessors in their Imperial Fist livery. Amy has painted these. She's done a stellar job. The yellow is really, really nice. Awesome colour to work with. And again, painting on these lovely Intercessor new sculpts is a really pleasure to do. So we'll pull forward some of these guys so you can have a look at them from the get-go. Really cool sort of stoic poses. Very fitting for Imperial Fists. And you can see Amy's done a slight bit of chipping and damage to the armour on these as well. You can see that lovely subtle highlighting on these as well. All the little details like the lenses on the bolters, the lenses on the eyes, and also the little lights and things on the armour also done as well to pick out those extra details. So that's just one of these Imperial Fists, but every aspect of detail fully painted, fully edged and fully highlighted, with all the bolters and barrels drilled as well, as you can see there. We'll just work through the squad just so you can see these guys in a bit more detail. Really cool chapter Imperial Fists, obviously very stoic and defensive, which is really cool. We've got the Sergeant here with his red helmet, as you can see there, just to distinguish him, and I do like the red trims on these as well on the pads, and also the crimson sort of maroon kind of aquillas that you've got on their chests as well. Very stoic pose there, telling people to shoot that way or kill that. Very fitting for 40k. All the purity seals fully painted with the text on them as well, as you can see, and all the highlighting done there in a lovely fashion. So that's just a sergeant, and then we'll move through the squad. Obviously Intercessors very much the same, but just want to show you each model so you can see the quality from model to model within a unit. And what it gives you the ability to do is when you do commission us for multiple units, you've got no reservations about mixing models up because the consistency is there from unit to unit. The lenses are done in a lovely complementary blue as well on the helmets as well, which I really do like. It just goes really well with that yellow, and you can see obviously all the little plugs and details all painted as well. Little lights and things on the armour as well, highlighted and painted as well. Got this chap here who's just decided to not bother using his bolter and go toe to toe. Really cool pose as well. Again, lovely model here for this unit. And then we'll pull forward the ones from the back row just so you can see the consistency and quality from model to model on these as well. Again, but very much the same through the unit. Again, lovely, very warm, vibrant yellow that these Imperial Fists have got as well. Very fitting and kind of second edition kind of looking as well. You've obviously got Terra written there on the bolter, which is really nice. So that's just a little extra detail. Very fitting for an Imperial Fist to have Terra written on his weapon. Again, you can see all the areas of highlighting on every single panel, every single edge, every single lens painted as well, which is really nice. And the final one here as well, just a really cool model, just giving someone what for with his gun from the squad. So that is the 10 Intercessors from this lovely phase that we've had the pleasure of working on. Do hope that you like it. We're back in a second to have a look at them in a bit more detail and also find out how to take a commission out with us here at Siege. See you guys back in a second. So I do hope you liked these Imperial Fist Intercessors. I know that Amy had a really good time working on them. She enjoyed a lot of the aspects of the yellow and also the details that are on the new models as well. If you are interested in commission with us, be it a squad, a character or an army, then very simply what we need to do is head to the description of this video where the link can be found next to get a quote. That takes you directly to the Siege Studios contact form on our website. Complete that by selecting the relevant drop-down options from those available for your project, and in the message section include a list of models in our model list format so that once you've done that, you can fire that off to us and we'll come back to you with a quote and get the process started. Finally, while you're here on YouTube, do give us a subscribe and let us know obviously what you think of these Imperial Fists in the comments. If you do hit the bell icon, you will be updated as and when obviously new videos get uploaded onto the channel, so I do hope you can do that. And if you do have Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, then go give us a like and follow respectively on those. They are also linked in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot and take care. Bye-bye.
I want to make sure that you guys have an accessible way to get hold of skills and new techniques and develop yourselves as painters. And that's it really, guys. So thank you very much, and we hope you'll join us on Patreon.